Finger millets or nachni is a rich source of iron and calcium. Naturally fermented whole millets are good source of vitamin B12, which plays a crucial role in iron absorption. Low hemoglobin, diabetes, or simply adding it to your weight loss diet plan. Here we have 2 cups of finger millets or nachni and 2 tablespoons of methi seeds. In another bowl we have half cup plus 2 tablespoons of black lentils or urad dal. All the measurements are in the description box for your reference. Since I bought this from the local grocer's shop, rinse and wash 3 to 4 times as there may be dust and dirt particles in the ragi grain. Once the water is clear, soak it for a minimum of 4 to 5 hours. Once it's soaked for 4 to 5 hours, it's ready to grind. I will grind it batch wise. For the first batch, I have taken half cup of poha. It can be thick or thin, any will do. We'll give a quick rinse before we grind it together. The water level should only be half an inch above the ragi level. Once done, we'll take a blender and add the first batch into it with the poha. Similarly, we'll grind the second batch of poha too with another half cup of poha, which means we'll be taking 1 cup of poha in total in this recipe. Now let's grind it into a fine batter. I have grinded both the batches like this. Add a little salt to the ground batter and mix well. Give it a good mix so that air is incorporated in the batter. Now the batter is become nice and fluffy. Now we'll cover the batter and let it rest and ferment overnight, so that we'll be able to make the dosas in the morning. Our batter is fermented well and it's become fluffy. Now it's time to make our dosas. Add salt to taste and again give it a good mix. You can add a little water to adjust the consistency of the batter. The batter should be free flowing. I use cast iron pans to make dosas. I need to preheat it for some time. Apply a light coat of oil before starting to make the dosa. Take a ladleful of the batter and spread it evenly on the pan. You can put a spoonful of ghee as per your choice. Cover it with the lid for few seconds. Once it's cooked and the rawness of the batter goes, it's ready to be flipped. And our healthy ragi dosa is ready to be served hot. Recipe to the tomato onion chutney is coming up in our very next video.